In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to slowly fade out audio, which means gradually reducing the volume at the end of a clip instead of stopping it suddenly. A fade out is commonly used for background music, outros, and ending scenes to create a smooth and natural finish. Let's begin. Go to your timeline and find the audio clip you want to fade out. If needed, increase the height of the audio track so you can clearly see the waveform. Now, look at the end of the audio clip. You'll notice a small square fade handle at the top right corner of the clip. Click on that handle and drag it toward the left. As you drag, you'll see a fade curve appear inside the audio clip. The farther you drag, the longer and smoother the fade out will be. If you drag only a small distance, the fade will be quicker. You can adjust the length anytime by dragging the handle again. This method creates a clean and smooth audio ending without adding manual keyframes. And that's it. You now know how to slowly fade out audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.